All right, folks, when we came on the air, breaking news came out that the Donald Trump campaign, they got to pay Omarosa For $1.3 million as a result of them suing her regarding their non-disclosure agreement. An arbitrator ruled that Trump has to pay her legal fees after he sued her for writing her tell-all book. Monique Omarosa, a good friend of yours, she, of course, feeling real good today. And the Trump folk, he just keep taking L's.
Yes, I'm texting her. She's a first-year law student now, and she's in class. And they have to keep the camera on. She wanted to come and talk for herself.
Don't worry about it. We'll get on tomorrow, Friday.
Right. I know she'll make her way in, but she did send me some things showing that the somebody from the Trump camps told Politico that they're going to challenge the award in court. They're such bozos. They agreed to binding arbitration. It's not going to be challenged. This is the end of the road. I wish this was a windfall for my friend, but I'm at least glad that her attorneys who did a good job for her will get their money.
Robert, Donald Trump and his stupid life, they love suing people. He hate having to pay, but all his punk ass does, he just taking these L's. Took a L with the election. He just keeps taking L after L after L.
Roland, I'm glad that she was able to win. Y'all know damn well Donald Trump ain't paying none of this money. He ain't paying nobody. He's gotten away for the last 40 years. Like if a brother had this record of not paying bills, let's be for real here. So congratulations on winning, but Trump ain't paying none of that money.
Well, Roland, both my colleagues may be right, but let me tell you what happens with binding arbitration. They can appeal it to the state court, but it's a very high bar. The level of review, or the scrutiny, or the standard of review at the state court level will be either abuse of discretion by the arbitrators or clearly erroneous of law, whatever state it is. And traditionally, state courts frown upon upending or granting any relief from binding arbitration. Now, they can tie it up in court, and then they can appeal that ruling to the Court of Appeals. So I'm not saying that she won't get this money. I'm saying it's going to be a minute, or it could be a minute before they stroke her a check, or they'll negotiate paying her some lump sum far less in order to avoid continuing to litigate. But if I were the Trump lawyers, I'd be concerned about litigating, because she's spending more legal fees. And then there's a provision that they could, in most states, whereby
There's Scott, that cricket Wi-Fi. Okay, hold on, Scott. You froze.
What?
You said there's a provision, then you froze. So what did you say?
There's a provision, if I'm not freezing, there's a provision that says they could continue to get attorney's fees in some states if they lose on this appeal, because the arbitration award, the level of review and the level to turn that over is so high. So we'll have to watch that.
All right, folks, back to our Roland Martin Unfiltered video in just one moment. Folks, Black Star Network is here.
Hold no punches.
I'm real revolutionary right now.
Support this man, Black media. He makes sure that our stories are told.
Thank you for being the voice of Black America, Roland.
Stay black. I love y'all.
All momentum we have now, we have to keep this going.
The video looks phenomenal.
See, this difference between Black Star Network and Black-owned media and something like CNN.
You can't be Black-owned media and be scared.
It's time to be smart.
Bring your eyeballs home.
You dig?